Hello and welcome. Today we are going to go over the usability test results between Microsoft Word and Google Docs. So I will be toggling between the two features in regards to looking at what they have to offer and ultimately which one scored the best. So one of the biggest differences seen between Microsoft Word and Google Docs is the comment feature. So Google Docs is of course a web-based program, and it allows and is able to go through and put comments within the documents, and if anybody else is within that document, they'll be able to see that immediately. So as an example, I just pulled up an old document that I had for a lesson that we're going to mess around with. And I'm going to put a comment right here that says, great title. So that comment just stays there, and it'll stay highlighted to tell which part of it's in. Now I can also go through and resolve this. So this can be either done by the comment creator or the creator of the document. So you can go through and add anybody into a Google Doc that has either an email address or access to the link. To that, you'll go up to the share feature, and with that share feature you'll either put people's email addresses or you'll get the link that you can send to people on your own. Now once people are in here, they're absolutely able to go through and add in comments, resolve them, but also the biggest feature of Google Docs in regards to the comments is that they're able to delete them. Whereas in Microsoft Word, you're not able to. You can also, of course, edit them as well as link them. I'm just going to go ahead and delete that. Looking over at Microsoft Word, again, this is just an old document that we're going to take a look at. You can go over here and you can't see it because the screencast cuts it off, but there's a little comment section. You can go in and go new comment. So it's going to go, of course I didn't have anything highlighted, I wasn't moved around or anything like that, and just put it over my name. It's totally fine. So I'll just put hello. And it's added. You can also go through and reply to the comments if you wish. Let's say, click over here. I'm not able to delete these though. So I can go in and resolve it, which means it'll lightly show that there's a highlight there to show, but it isn't going to go through and do anything else. And that was the biggest point for usability testing. I hope you have a wonderful day and a great week.